today with another video. This one is going to be a little bit different, but before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Also, make sure to hit the notification button because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. You know, we are still in quarantine and a lot of the nail shops and lash places are closed. And if you don't know already, I get lash extensions, but y'all, these lashes, no ma'am, they're not having it. So I kept running across these ads about magnetic lashes. My lash tech actually tagged me in a post about some magnetic lashes. I was like, girl, I tried magnetic lashes before. They just don't work for me. But I didn't know like the magnetic lashes had went to a whole nother level. They now have eyeliner, because when I was trying the magnetic lashes, it was like a lash on top of a lash. You had to stack it and I just couldn't do it, okay? So I've been getting lash extensions for a while now. And I pretty much gave away most of my lashes except for a few. But I just don't really feel like dealing with a whole bunch of glue again because it would irritate my eyes and I would have to wait on them to dry. I'm just not, you know, I'm not savvy in putting on lashes. So I went and researched and I found these lashes by MoxieLash. And I went and purchased them online. This is one of the lashes right here. This one is Money Lash. Flip it up so you guys can see. But that is what the lash looks like. You guys can see the magnetics on the lash. There's 5 on these. So they have ones that have 5 and then ones that have 3. And I heard that the ones with the 5 stick a little bit better. So we're gonna see. Also picked up the Boujie Lash. And this is what this one is looking like. It looks really good. And that is what they look like. And then I picked up this eyeliner. Now this eyeliner was kind of pricey, so I'm hoping that, you know, it's going to give everything that I needed to give. I ended up getting these. I'm just taking this paper off. It's because I seen a model who had lash extensions also, and she was due for a refill. And so all she did was put this liner on and then plop them on, and it looked really good. So I was like, you know what? Let me try that. It's either gonna work or it's not gonna work. But I hope it worked because these lashes were pretty on the pricier side than what I would usually buy. Also say you can get up to 30. Yeah, 30 wears out of this, but you have to make sure you clean the magnetic part off. So I'm gonna have to be very careful with that because one thing I don't want to do is, you know, mess them up. But this is what the eyeliner looks like, and they also have different colors of the eyeliner. The eyeliner looks like it's a liquid magnetic liner. So you're supposed to put this on, let it dry, and then you are going to just put the eyelashes on top of it. So because I have to film today, I figured why not just go ahead and try this on camera. The only thing that I have on right now is just, I filled in my eyebrows. I'm not done with the rest of my face. And we're just gonna see which one I'm going to choose. I like my lashes kind of voluminous. I like for them to look like they have a little flair, a little life. So I think today I'm going to try the Money Lash. I'm gonna try that one. I'm going to see if they are going to fit to my face, and I'm hoping that I don't have to cut off any of the lashes to adjust them. I just hope that I can do this right, okay? I'm just going to take them off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see how good this is going to look if I put it on. I know this looks a little weird to y'all, but I gotta see if this is gonna work for me. Oh Lord, please don't let this turn out to be a tragedy. Okay, all right. I don't think I'm going to have to cut them down. Can y'all see? No? Get the gist. Oh Lord, okay. I don't think I'm gonna have to cut them down, y'all. All right. Y'all just pray for me, okay? So I had to pull my mirror up closer because I got to be able to see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and then we are just going to see and pray that this works out. So if I'm not like directly looking at y'all, it's because I'm trying to focus on getting these lashes on, okay? So let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm a little shook. Oh my goodness. And then some of my other lashes are coming off at the end, and I just brushed them out. I'm probably gonna have to pull this one. See, this one's, oh my gosh. Oh, wow. 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 Just have to get them to lay exactly where you want them to lay. And they're probably not perfect, guys, and I understand that. This is my first time doing it. But wow. Wow. Okay, let's work on this, because this is the eye that's suffering right now. One thing I'm learning right off bat is that it's taking a little long for it to dry, so I wouldn't try to go like super thick. Like on this side, I messed up a little bit and put a little bit too much, so I tried to be a little bit more cleaner on this side. But it's been a while since I've even put on eyeliner. Like seriously, it's been a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to drying and then we're gonna come back again. So I'm just gonna take the other one once again. I'm trying to clean my hands off with this little towel. This lash might be a little bit easier than this lash because I had more lashes on this one, so I'm gonna have to like make sure to brush them in good, and so this one should just like pop on easily. So I'm just gonna pull them off, and I'm just pulling them off with my hand, but just be careful because you don't want to rip them. Oh my gosh, I'm so intrigued by these things. So you just want to move them. Oh my gosh, y'all see how that one just popped into place? So I don't know if this one looks a little bit fuller to y'all on this side because of this, because of how many lashes I have. But look how clean, look how clean that was. Y'all, look at that, guys. That was so easy for me to do, and now I have to walk around looking bald on one side and full on the other side. Like they both pretty much look even. If you guys want me to come back with a, you know, update on them, I will happily do so. And if you want me to try out the money lashes also, I can definitely do that. But they look good. They look good. So far, so are interested in these lashes, I'm gonna make sure to leave the link down below. I got, like I said, only 2 lashes, and then I got the liner. They also have the gel liner, and they also have different colors once again, and they have a whole bunch of lash selections that you can choose from. I personally will go with the 5. You can see if they have maybe something a little bit more toned down for my ladies who do not really care for, you know, a lot of volume. You might want to check and see if they have a little bit more classic selections. But like I said, most of the reviews that I read said that the 5 magnets stick a little bit better. And I only use 1 coat. Some people are using 2 coats, but I only use 1. So I'm gonna see how well this also does with just this 1 coat. You know what you think about these magnetic lashes, and if you have purchased from this company before or any other companies. Once again, I'll leave all the details down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel once again. Turn those notifications on, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.